Hi all, welcome to my channel Chat Jamaican, where you will be provided with valuable content on the Jamaican patois. Driving in Jamaica can be fun and exciting, but before Jamaicans hit the road, both men and women love to check their car before they take a long journey to the country or town. These are some patois sentences they say or ask before they go. Number 1. Take off the carburetor. The English translation is take off the carburetor. The carburetor has several functions, two of which includes regulating the ratio of air and fuel and also controlling the engine speed. Take off the carburetor. Take off the carburetor. The second question Jamaicans love to ask is, you have engine oil? You have engine oil? Do you have engine oil? The engine oil lubricates the internal combustion of engines, and its main function is to reduce friction and wear on the moving parts and to clean the engine from sludge. You have engine oil? English translation, do you have engine oil? The third sentence that we want to talk about is, sell me some gas. Sell me some gas. Sell me some gas. Jamaicans like to stop at the gas station to ensure that they have enough gas to take them to their destination. Sell me some gas. Sell me some gas. Before Jamaicans purchase their gas, they always ask this question, how much a gallon for gas? English, how much per gallon for the gas? Gas is very important because this is needed to convert gasoline into motion so that the car can move. The fifth thing that Jamaicans love to say is, fly me car bonnet for me. Fly me car bonnet for me. Open my car bonnet for me. Open my car bonnet for me. The bonnet is the hinge cover that rests over the engine of a front engine vehicle. It provides access to the engine. Fly me car bonnet for me. Open my car bonnet for me. A Jamaican will then say, the condenser won't change. The condenser won't change. The condenser needs changing. The air conditioning condenser is a radiator positioned between the car's grill and the engine's cooling radiator, in which gaseous refrigerant sheds heat and returns to a liquid state. The condenser won't change. The condenser needs changing. When a Jamaican realizes that the car is okay and they're ready to hit the road, the final question that a Jamaican will ask is, how much mile from Yasso to go Mandeville? How much mile from Yasso to go Mandeville? How many miles from here to Mandeville? How many miles from here to Mandeville? It doesn't matter where a Jamaican is going, whether from Kingston to Montego Bay, Manchester to St. Elizabeth, they will always ask, how much mile from Yasso? How much mile from Ya to Mandeville? How much miles from here to Mandeville? If this is your first time watching, please remember to subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Little more.